In this video, I want to show you how to set up your Logitech M510 with your Windows PC computer and how to customize the buttons on the mouse. So let's get started. First step is to open this door, and over here you should see a USB dongle like this one. Simply take it out, turn the mouse on, and plug this in your PC computer. If you only have some USB Type-C connectors on the side, you will have to purchase an adapter that is a USB Type-A to USB Type-C like this one. But fortunately, my PC has one USB-A port. And once you have connected the mouse, it should work right away. You don't have to install any drivers, as you notice. Now, if you want to customize the buttons, you will have to download the Logitech Option Plus software. To do that, simply go on Google, type Logi Option Plus, and one of the first results should be from the official Logitech website. So go over here, click Download, go down, and you should see Download for Windows. Click and open the software. And once you have done this, let me show you how to customize the buttons, but I will do it on my Mac computer. It's the same exact thing on the Windows version. Once it is installed, it should look like this. And you should see your mouse appearing on the first screen. Simply click on it, click Skip. And from here, you'll be able to modify, to edit, to customize all the buttons. So simply click on the one you want to customize. And on the right side, you'll be able to select what you want that button to do. What's really cool about this is that you can customize specific buttons for specific apps only. So if you click on Add Application, I can say, for example, I don't know, let me choose for Google Chrome. If I click Google Chrome over here, confirm, continue. As you see on the top right corner, I am now into the Chrome settings. Let's say I want to customize this button and select something, for example, I don't know, open ChatGPT. Now, when I open Chrome, that button, okay, will open ChatGPT every time I press it, and only in Google Chrome. If you click on global settings, these are the settings that will be applied to the mouse in general, but in specific apps you choose, and you can click the plus icon to add many, your mouse will behave differently. If you tap over here on the arrow, you can also have more options to customize. And if you tap settings, you can also reset the mouse. Let's say you have customized it and you're not happy with the results. You want to start fresh, like a brand new mouse. Simply go over here and click reset to default settings, and the mouse will be resetted and you'll be able to start again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.